this video today is going to be about how to go into Multitracks and to look up songs and see if they actually have tracks for them or if they have presentations for them if they're going to be shown through ProPresenter. Make sure they have everything available. It is not always that every song will have that. So I'm going to show you today how to do that. So first thing you want to do is go to the internet. Quickest way I have found to do this, like if you're just wanting to look and find out if a song has everything for it, is just to go straight to the source, go straight to Multitracks. So I'm going to go to multitracks.com. Once you're here, you want to make sure you log in. My information is already here, so I will then log in. Since I'm part of two organizations at this time, I'm going to check the organization that I want to check on. In this case, it doesn't matter. And so then we'll go in here. So this is what your actual Multitracks looks like when you log into it. Up here at the top, you'll see where there's songs. Just click on it. And then right here where it says search, we're just going to type the song in. So I'm going to type in a song that I know we did. It's been back some time now, probably 6 months ago. We actually did this song one time on a Sunday. It had full tracks with it. When we came back to do it again a few weeks later, the song had actually been removed from Multitracks. It could have been copyright reasons that they didn't want to release anymore. There's multiple reasons why it could be. So the name of the song is Speak the Name. And so I'm going to look that up. And it is not here. If I were to go type this song in, actually I'll do it through Planning Center. I can show you where this was. Look at songs. I don't remember the exact person who we did it from. So yeah, Corn Hawthorne, and you can see here we did this song back last year. So it's been a little while now. So November the 3rd was the last time we did it. So so you'll see now if I go into Multitracks, this song is no longer here. There are no tracks for it. So this is not, this is just a quick way to show you, like, hey, if someone has a song they want to do, you can quickly type the song in here, look and see what's available. If it's not the version that you're looking for, you can sometimes listen to the other versions that are here. In this case, none of these songs will be the same as what I'm trying to find. So let's look up another one. There were some I was sent by somebody today, and that was Go Tell It on the Mountain. If I could type. Okay, and then when you pull it up, there's so many versions here. So it depends on like what you're looking for, and you can already see over here like what's here, what's not. So if this is highlighted, that means that we have ProPresenter templates for it. This means that we're going to have charts for it. There's the rehearsal mix, and there's the actual multi-track. So we have everything here. Like if this is all highlighted, I already know that. So that's just a quick way to be able to see it. You can also click on this and hear the song. So let's see. Ring out the angel chorus that hailed our Savior's birth. Go tell it on the mountain. So it's just a little short 30-second clip, 45 seconds, something like that. You can listen to tell somebody how good it's been. Different. He showed me the way. That one's different. Jesus Christ is so it just depends on like what you're looking for here. So a lot of different options here. If you want to look, there's view all. There's probably more than this. Yeah, there's quite a few here next to this. So yeah, I mean, so just this is a quick way to go look and see, hey, what's available. What do they actually have multi-tracks for? What has a chart for? What has the rehearsal mix? And primarily what has ProPresenter lyrics, because some does not have all this. So you can look down through here and just see here's one right here. It does not have any of those things. So this will be something someone's gonna have to manually do and build. This will be the same way. So this is just a quick way to do this. It keeps you from having to go to um, into Planning Center. So if you were to go into Planning Center and this is where you're at, you want to go add a song. And so now I'm going to do the same thing here. Go tell it on the mountain. It's going to give me these same options here, but I don't know until I actually click on it. I add the song, then I have to go back and see if it has everything in there when I go to click on like all the add-ons for it. Whereas if I go into Multitracks, I can just look at it right here and see, okay, I have everything. I know that before I ever go to Planning Center and try to put it in. So for me, this is my go-to. Again, how you get to this, once you're in, this is the home page. Make sure that you're logged in. Click on songs at the top, and then literally right here from the beginning, you can start searching. And there's so many things you can do in here. If you want to look and see what the top songs are that are being actually like chosen right now from Multitracks from all the different users and supporters of it, this is it. This is what people are using right now. These are the top songs. Obviously, it's Christmas time. We're a few weeks away, so you can see that the Christmas songs are very popular. We did this one yesterday. So there's a lot of different things in here. So I think I was asked about Joy to the World, Unspeakable Joy by Chris Tomlin. Here it is right here with all the tracks and everything for it. So a lot of different options in here. Easy things to look up. There are a lot of songs in this. Like I said, you can sort them by multiple options too. So I usually, if I look at this, I'll do it by popularity. What is everyone else doing? Not that I'm trying to match what everyone else is doing, but hey, what's popular right now in the industry when it comes to worship songs, worship music, and things like that. So just want to take a moment, kind of share this with everyone. Um, if, like I said, if you're trying to figure out how to pull up songs, how to see what all they have, this is my go-to. This is what I use. Someone else may do something different. I have found that for me, this is the easiest thing to do right from the beginning. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.